10 phrases for asking or giving an opinion. What do you think about that? How do you feel about that? What's your opinion of that? What are your views on that? In my opinion, you should study English. I'd say you should do your homework. Personally, I think or believe you must learn English. If you ask me, he's the best manager ever. The way I see it, it would be better to just go. From my point of view, you need to take a break. Check out these other great videos from Ajarn Mieder and be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified about our latest videos.